Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, we'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called brief summary of ideas worth remembering. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how your own mind works. This topic. This is a new chapter, friends, and the topic is how your own mind works. So let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. You have a mind and you should learn how to use it. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that we have a mind and we should learn how to use our mind. There are two levels of your mind: the conscious or rational level and the subconscious or irrational level. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling there are two levels of our mind. One is conscious, that is the rational level, and second one is subconscious, that is the irrational level. You think with your conscious mind, and whatever you habitually think sinks down into your subconscious mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that we think with our conscious mind, and whatever we think our conscious mind is it gradually sinks with our subconscious mind, which creates according to the nature of your thought. So this subconscious mind is created according to the nature of our thought. Your subconscious mind is the seat of your emotions and is the creative mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious mind is the seat of our emotions and it is our creative mind. If you think good, good will follow. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling, if we think good, the good will follow. If you think evil, evil will follow. So if we are going to think evil, evil is going to follow. This is the way your mind works. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that if we think good, good will follow. If we think evil, evil will follow. In this way, our subconscious mind works, friends. Okay. So this is the working pattern of our subconscious mind. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The main point to remember is once the subconscious mind accepts an idea, it begins to execute it. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the main point to remain that whenever our subconscious mind accepts an idea, when it remain to execute it. So it is a very big statement, friends. Okay. It is an interesting and subtle truth that the law of subconscious mind work for the good and bad ideas alike. So this is a very big truth of our subconscious mind, that whether it is our subconscious mind work for good as well as for the bad ideas alike. So whatever we think, the thoughts get manifested. The law, when applied in a negative way, is the cause of failure, frustration, and unhappiness. So this law, whenever we apply in a negative way, it is the cause of failure, frustration, and also unhappiness. However, when your habitual thinking is harmonious and constructive, you experience perfect health, success, and prosperity. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling, when our habitual thinking is harmonious and constructive, you will be experiencing perfect health, success, and also the prosperity, friends. Okay. So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Peace of mind and a healthy body are inevitable when you begin to think and feel in the right way. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling peace of our mind and a healthy body are inevitable when we begin to think and feel in the right way. Whatever you claim mentally and feel as true, your subconscious mind will accept and bring forth bring forth into your experience. So whatever we think, whatever we think, this is the truth, that our subconscious mind is going to bring that thing into our experiences, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The only thing necessary for you to do is to get your subconscious mind to accept your ideas. So the only thing which is important for us is to get the subconscious mind accept the ideas whatever we think, friends. Okay, so this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, and the law of your own subconscious mind will bring forth health, peace, or position you desire. So after this, the law of our subconscious mind is going to bring us health, force, peace, and the position which we desire, friends. Okay, you give the command or decree, and your subconscious will faithfully reproduce the ideas impressed upon it. So whatever thought we are going to give, so that idea our subconscious mind is going to imply whatever thought is being produced upon it, friends. Okay, so whatever thought is being produced upon it, our subconscious mind is going to introduce it. The law of your mind is this. So this is the law of our mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You will get a reaction or response from your subconscious mind according to the nature of the thought. So whatever nature of our thought is there, according to that we are going to get the ideas in our subconscious mind, or ideas you hold in your conscious mind. So whatever nature of our thought we have, we are going to, or whatever ideas we hold in our conscious mind, it is going to get in subconscious mind and get manifested, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Psychologists and psychiatrists point out that when thoughts are conveyed to your subconscious mind, impressions are made in the brain cells. So here psychologists and psychiatrists say whenever the thoughts are conveyed in our subconscious mind, the impression are made in the brain cells. As soon as your subconscious mind accept any idea, it proceed to put it into effect immediately. So as soon as our subconscious mind accepts any idea, it put it into complete effect, friends. Okay, so this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It works by association of ideas and uses every bit of knowledge that you have gathered in your lifetime to bring about its purpose. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that it works with the association of the ideas and uses each and every knowledge whichever we have gathered and bring in about in this lifetime. It draws on a infinite power, energy, and wisdom within you. So this idea draw with infinite power, energy, and wisdom within us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It lines up all the law of nature to get its way. So this line up all the law of the nature to get its way, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Sometimes it seems to bring about an immediate solution to your difficulty. So sometimes it brings the immediate solution to our difficulty, but at other time it may take days, week, or longer in ways are past finding out. So sometime it takes a week, longer time, week or month, even longer time to find the solution to our ideas, and sometimes it finds within a no matter of time, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called how your own mind works. This topic I have covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the topic called the difference between the conscious and the subconscious. This topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.